To start, you simply want to walk up to the ordering kiosk where you tap on the screen like so. Once doing that, you can actually scan your barcode on the McDonald's app or your McDonald's card if you actually want to get points for this purchase. Once you do that, I'm going to click on no thanks for this, but you just want to select your language. In this case, I'm going to continue with English, and you can actually be brought to the screen like so. Once here, you can actually order whatever you want. Now, if you want fries, you just need to navigate this like a normal menu, like you would order at the register, but you're ordering it on the screen. All you do is you tap on the things that you want in the different categories and sections, and once you do that, you can actually add multiple of one item. You click on add to cart or cancel item if you suddenly do not want this item. And once you're actually ready to check out, you can see your total bag at the bottom. We click on view my order, and you can actually choose here or to go. In this case, I'm going to do to go, and you can actually deny if you want to sponsor them, and you can actually continue to order and just see your entire order on the screen right here. In this case, I have one thing, but if you have multiple, it'll show it here, and you can actually see that's how you would use it.